Hi guys, it's John. Today I'm going to use the Instant Pot to make a braised beef ribs. For the ingredients, I have 1 kilogram of beef ribs, 2 tomatoes, 1 cup of beef stock, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. If you don't like spicy, you can skip this one. And I have 1 stem of leek, 1 piece of red onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. Through the miracle of time, I've already chopped the leek, onion, and tomato and crushed the garlic. First, I'll use the saute function of the Instant Pot and heat up the pot. And I'm adding some avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons. And first, I want to sear the outside of the beef rib first before I cook it. And now I'm going to add in the garlic, onion, and the leek. And I'm going to add in the 2 tomatoes. And then I'm going to slowly add the beef broth. I just add half a cup first. And then I'm going to add in the soya sauce. Worcestershire sauce. And also the Sriracha chili sauce. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the Sriracha sauce. So I'm going to add in the rest of the beef stock. So I'm going to cover the Instant Pot, lock the lid, and then I set the timer to pressure cook 30 minutes on high, and then start cooking. So after 30 minutes and use the natural release, let's see. Wow, still bubbling. And looks like the beef rib is cooked and looks quite tender. Let's take 1 piece out and see how well it's cooked. It's very tender. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please do come back to watch my cooking and travel video.